Hello friends, welcome to Naman Origami World. I am Sanidhya and I am 11 years old. Today we will make this interesting basket and you can keep some small stuff in it. So let's get started. So I have cut it into a square. This will be used as a handle for later use. First make this crease and then do the same on the opposite side. Now you need to turn over and then make a crease like this and this. Now unfold this sheet and then fold it like this. Now hold it in the air and then use these creases to make a model like this. This is called a square base. So now fold this flap until here. And then fold this flap till here. Now do the same on the opposite side. Now put this sheet aside and take the strip we had used. And now fold it to the middle. Unfold and then fold these flaps to the middle. Unfold and then fold these flaps till these lines, like this and this. Now unfold and fold this flap to this line and this flap to this line, like this and like this. Now fold one side from each edge and then do that again. And then do it one last time on both the sides. And now fold it to the middle. Now bring that base we had formed earlier. Now put this stick right here on this line and fold it. And do the same on the opposite side. Note that these sides will bend a little bit, so you can open them and don't be worried that this might be torn. Now you need to fold this to this line like this and same on the opposite side. Now lift the paper and then fold these flaps to this line like this and same on the opposite side. Now turn over and fold these sides just like we did before. Now you need to lift this flap and then fold this down and then do the same on the opposite side. Open this and then crease it down. Now you need to open this up like this and shape the basket. Now you need to lift these flaps up and fold them on this line and this line like this. Your origami basket is complete, but you can shape it a little bit, and also if these flaps lift from down, then fold them like this and on the other side.